And today we have with us Remi Beranger, who is our VP Global Procurement and Supply Chain, and with him we will talk about sustainable procurement. Welcome, Remi.
Thank you very much.
Hi. Could you tell a bit more about yourself and your procurement team?
So my name is Remi Beranger. I'm French. I've been working for the STER for 9 years now. I'm globally in charge of procurement and supply chain, which means that under my control I have a large team of people located all across the planet. On one end, next to the 3 plants where we manufacture in the US, in Europe and in Asia, but as well as in the countries where we source most of our materials today, either raw materials or traded goods.
And why is sustainable procurement such an important focus point in our overall ESG strategy?
Well, everything we manufacture is composed of raw materials we buy. And 50% of what we sell is traded goods that are manufactured by suppliers that we are controlling and we are dealing with. So our overall ESG performance depends on sustainable procurement in a way that we want to create a positive impact on people and planet, but what's very important is that we want to select partners that see it in the same way and that are willing to basically go in the same direction as the one we are taking.
And can you tell us a bit more how you evaluate your suppliers to make sure they are in line with our ESG goals and strategy?
So the first thing we've done is we've asked our supplier to sign our code of conduct, which basically summarizes everything we stand for from the sustainability end. Then, alongside our quality audit, which is standard and have been in place for a long time, we've developed a very specific ESG audit. We've started to roll this one out across our traded goods suppliers in Asia Pacific, and this is comprised of, first off, a self-assessment, then a physical audit, and this is the starting point for next steps and for corrective actions.
Okay, and yeah, one of my last questions, how do we as a STIR continue to focus on sustainability, both for ourselves as our partners? So what's next on the agenda?
Now, for me, the next critical step in that journey is, let's say, the commercial aspect and the commercial choices we take in our procurement strategy. We need to draw a line and we need to stick to it. Sustainability should not be a nice to have anymore. For me, it should be on the same line as cost, quality or supply chain performance. We should not be afraid of parting ways with historical suppliers or of not selecting suppliers, even if it comes at the expense of a certain competitiveness, and this should be fine.